Today, we are going to talk about cannabis confiscations. These are the learning objectives for this session. Cannabis and associated paraphernalia are not permitted on campus. Some signs and behaviors that may indicate a potential cannabis violation is strong smell, hazy air, student comments, towel under the door, covered smoke detector, very strong air freshener, fans blowing out the window during cold weather, or a report from another student. This is R.A. Anna. She received a call from a resident reporting the smell of cannabis on the third floor. She grabs her keys and heads to the third floor to investigate. R.A. Anna smells cannabis in the hallway, but is not sure where the source is, so she will need to narrow down the source of the smell. She will approach 3 different doors in the area to determine where the smell is coming from. If she cannot narrow it down by smelling around the door, she should knock on 3 doors to further investigate. When the resident of rooms 1 opens their door, the smell is not strong in the room. R.A. Anna explains to the resident of the room that she is trying to narrow down the smell of cannabis. R.A. Anna will explain that their room does not smell strongly of cannabis, so she will continue to investigate. When the resident of 2 open their door, the smell is not strong in the room. R.A. Anna explains to the resident of the room that she is trying to narrow down the smell of cannabis. R.A. Anna will explain that their room does not smell strongly of cannabis, so she will continue to investigate. At the 3rd room, the resident opens the door and it smells strongly of cannabis. R.A. Anna introduces herself to the resident and explains why she is there. My name is R.A. Anna. I am here because the hallway smells like cannabis. I have checked the rooms near yours and they do not smell like cannabis. Your room smells strongly of cannabis, so I will need to come in to check your room for cannabis and any other prohibited items. R.A. Anna will then enter the room and look for other signs of cannabis use like fans that appear to be used to move smoke out of the room, towels on the floor near the door, excessive room spray, or covered smoke detectors. R.A. Anna will then explain what she has observed to the resident as further indication that there is likely cannabis in the room. I see you have a fan blowing out of the window. There was a towel under the door. I see a lot of air freshener and your smoke detector is covered. This all indicates cannabis was smoked in this room. Can you please produce any cannabis and paraphernalia? The resident indicates that they were indeed smoking cannabis in the room and gives R.A. Anna the remaining cannabis and paraphernalia. R.A. Anna will then conduct a plain view search to determine if there is any remaining cannabis or other prohibited items. R.A. Anna will not open drawers or move the resident's property during the search. If the resident did not comply, R.A. Anna would explain that complying is in the resident's best interest. If they do not comply and deny cannabis use in the room or do not produce any cannabis, R.A. Anna will explain that the RD on duty will be called. In this case, R.A. Anna will call the RD on duty to discuss next steps. The RD on duty may tell R.A. Anna to document what she has observed and no further action is required. The RD on duty may report to the scene to talk further with the resident. The RD on duty may call safety and security to conduct a full search. The resident is compliant and produces a small bag of cannabis and a bong. R.A. Anna takes pictures of all the items. R.A. Anna directs the resident to flush the cannabis down the toilet while R.A. Anna watches. R.A. Anna then places the bong in a plastic bag to transport the item down to the R.A. office. R.A. Anna thanks the resident for complying and explains that they will receive an email from a case resolution facilitator, so they should look out for that email. R.A. Anna explains that if the resident has any concerns or questions, they should reach out to the RD. Remember, R.A. Anna could have been in the room conducting health and safety inspections while residents were not home and happened upon cannabis and or paraphernalia. In this case, R.A. Anna would take pictures for documentation and she would flush the cannabis down the toilet. R.A. Anna would remove the paraphernalia and leave a notice of confiscation, letting the resident know their items were removed. If at any point R.A. Anna needed support, backup, or guidance, she can call the RD on duty. In this incident, it was not necessary as the resident was compliant and the incident was resolved. Once in the RA office, RA Anna then calls safety and security and asks them to retrieve the bong. RA Anna would do this for any paraphernalia. After confiscating the items and concluding the incident, RA Anna should then immediately document the incident in Guardian. She will complete a conduct code violation incident report. RA Anna remembers to upload the photos to the incident report. Congratulations! You learned how to confiscate cannabis to help keep our community safe.